guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you, see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam bam. You guys, today's video is going to be a retwist video, so if you're interested in this video, then just keep watching. So you guys, this is the state of my hair right now. It is a little white because I've already started retwisting the back. But I wanted to show you guys what my hair looks like, how much it has grown out. It's grown out about an inch, probably a little under an inch. And it's been 2 full months. My sister-in-law parted my hair December 17th. And then I put my hair up, I braided my hair, and now today is February 8th. So I'm about 7 days shy of 2 full months. But my hair has grown significantly. The things that I have been using in my hair has been my DIY oil. Like I said, I am going to be selling this oil, but I do have a video already made on my channel. If you want the DIY, the quickie, I have been using my own DIY hair leave-in conditioning spray. And I've also braided my hair with my own DIY leave-in conditioner. This bottle is recycled, but the color of it is yellowish because it is a shea butter, but this is a water-based shea butter. So that's what I've been using to retwist. You guys know my hair is a kinky twist and it's my natural hair. So I'm gonna put my hair up. I've been redoing my hair at night because that's when my son is asleep and I want to pay attention to him. So I put my hair up kind of like in a loose bun, and I'm not going to be able to show you guys all of my hair, like me sitting here taking down my hair. So I'm gonna come back to you guys like when I'm in just this little piece, so I can show you guys maybe a good bundle on camera. But I got the back part of my hair parted and I've been twisting it together like they're locks. So I've been taking 2 strands of hair and twisting it together, and hopefully you guys can see that. But this is what the back is looking like so far, and then this is what the front is looking like. And I just take down 1 roll at a time, and then I spray my hair just a little bit, take it down, and then I take my DIY leave-in, I'll rub that down the length of my hair, then I will braid about an inch from my scalp so that the hair on my scalp don't get tangled from just twisting. That's why I chose to do kinky twist. So yeah, I braid about an inch from my scalp and then I twist the rest of it, and my hair has been thriving in this hairstyle. It's way faster than mini braids, way faster than mini twist. The takedown and the put up, when I put my hair up, it takes me about 12 hours, but retwisting it, I've been doing 1 roll at a time, and I haven't really just dove in because I've been being lazy and haven't wanted to pick up this camera. But yeah, you guys, I'm just doing 1 braid at a time, and this time I'm twisting. After I do my individual twist, I'm taking those twists and twisting them together and seeing how long I can rock them in kind of like a lock style. So yeah, I wanted to come on here and just explain to you guys what I've been doing, how long my hair has been up this go around. Because I haven't washed my hair, I don't know if you watched my hair update video, but because I haven't washed my hair every week, my twists are not mangled and matted on itself. But I have been spraying and misting my hair every other day, so my hair has been exposed to water and leave-in spray like I showed you guys, and oils and stuff like that. But I just have not physically washed my hair with shampoo, and it's like mangling up my hair. So far, I don't even know where the hair is. I haven't lost that much hair in just a couple of rows that you guys have seen be redone. Like, I've literally lost like a very, very small amount of hair. And I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I need to fill you in on before I jump in here and probably do like a little voiceover, and then it'll be fast with me just taking down a couple of braids up here. But yeah, I wanted to just show you guys how much my hair has grown out, and this has to be the best hairstyle ever. Doing this hairstyle, girl, it's making me wanna say bye-bye to her, the mini micro braids. That's what this hairstyle is giving me, because I don't think I want to go back, because this is giving everything that it needs to give. It's giving mommy, it's giving, okay, she do her hair, but it looks, you know, grown out, but it's giving I can do it and leave it alone for a couple of months and then just redo it or refresh it. So I'm gonna stop rambling and get off of here. Hopefully these videos are helping you guys. Please leave comments down below if these videos are helping, and let's get into the braiding up front. So ooh, y'all, it's grown out a lot, but it's okay. She fits to hook it up. Okay, guys, I came back with only 2 braids to do with you guys, because it takes me approximately 9 minutes to do each braid. It did take me about maybe 5 to 6 days to rebraid all of my hair. The video with all of my hair in the bun still kind of mangled up. That was like 3 days ago, and then somehow I just so happened to put back on the same color shirt, but it's okay. This is all I have left. I'm just showing you guys the different texture in my hair from the root all the way down to the thinning end. You guys can see how much more frizzier it is, but I've already showed you guys what products I'm using. You guys, I don't use any hair tools to take down my hair. I just use my fingers like so. I hold one strand of hair, which is why it's very important not to borrow hair from either section, so that you don't lock your hair, and when you are taking down your hair, it makes the takedown a lot easier, because you can just hold one strand and unravel the opposite strand around the hair, and you shouldn't have any problems with too many flyaways, especially if you didn't continuously manipulate your hair strands while your style was up. So after I get done taking down the twist of my hair, then I start on the braid. So these are natural kinky twists. Like I said before, there is no extra hair added. So I do have to be very gentle when it comes to the root of my hair to make sure that the product that is built up around the base of the hair, or even throughout the braid, I'm not breaking my hair, and I'm also not snagging my hair down at the bottom. So to help with the detangling at the root of the hair, if I have like a really hard patch of like product buildup, that's when I will take my DIY spray. I will spray the root or the base of my hair, and then thoroughly detangle that one section of hair, removing all shed hair. And then I will go in with my whipped shea butter, which it is watered base, because I have to say that because if you guys been here for a long time, you know normally when I braid my hair or twist my hair, I only use shea butter, like raw shea butter, because my hair did not like watered based products when I will put it in a protective style. But after I've had my son and also dealing with the post-COVID hair shedding, I apply water-based products to my hair to put my hair in a protective style, because my hair, it's a lot thinner, and when you add a water-based product to your hair, that makes your hair swell up. So yeah, just a little reason why I switched up. I want my hair to look a lot fuller, and because I'm having hair thinning problems, I don't want my hair to look just straight and stringy at the ends. The water-based product helped my hair kind of get back that swollen look. So here I am, thoroughly detangling my hair. I make sure that I detangle the 3 sections and making sure that I pull my hair apart. I continuously run my hands down the length of my hair, removing all shed hair, and then I grab my whipped shea butter and then I rub that down the length of my hair. Then I try to make sure my hair is parted as evenly as possible. I will braid about an inch of hair from the root down, and then I will twist the rest of my hair, and then I move on to the next section. The front of my hair, I really try to have like a side part, but I think I kind of got confused when I was braiding my hair and didn't realize that I grabbed a piece of hair and just braided it down the other way. So whichever way you want your braids to lay is the way you need to braid it. So if you like your braids to lay to the right, then you need to make sure that you're braiding that hair and gripping that hair to the right so your braids is not laying all catawonky. I hope that makes sense. But it takes me a while to get my shed hair out because I do it very gently, and it also takes me a while to make sure that I'm rubbing in all of my product. Once again, this is my own whipped shea butter. It is a water-based product. Here I am just giving you guys a really quick length check for the front of my hair, and then I'm going to start braiding. So after that, I mean, it's pretty much self-explanatory. I'm not going to speed this process up because I want you guys to see the fullness of how long it takes me to actually take care of each individual braid or twist. So yeah, and then when I'm braiding my hair or when I'm starting the braid of my hair, I make sure I feel around the base of my hair a couple of times and getting away some of those flyaways, making sure that my part is crisp and it's still straight. All the hair that belongs in that particular twist is in that twist, and I'm not grabbing other hairs or braids or something that could cause breakage later on in the future. So I just make sure that my part stays really clean. I pull my hair a little taut on itself, but not too tight so that I don't have a headache because I am tender-headed. And that's another reason why I'm so hesitant of letting people touch my hair, because I am very, very tender-headed, and I do not like it when I have to walk away from a hairstylist or whoever's doing my hair and my head is just throbbing in pain. I do not like that. So yeah, you guys, I'm very gentle and I take care of my hair with patience. I take my time, and if my hands get tired of braiding, if I feel like I'm not being as gentle anymore because I feel like, hey, I just want to get this over with, I stop doing my hair. So if it takes me a week to rebraid all of my hair, then so be it. If I am taking down my hair and I got about approximately 15 braids done in that one setting, then I'm completely fine with only working on my hair for about an hour and a half, 2 hours at a time, and then just starting the next day. I don't like to do my hair when I'm upset or angry or impatient, because that's when you will snatch your hair out. So here I am just twisting my hair all the way down. I do make sure that the bottom lines up as much as possible, and I just twist all the way down the length of my hair, and then I just continue that process over and over and over again until all of my hair is complete. This next braid that I'm going to show you guys, I am going to speed through that one, but I wanted to give you guys a really nice, slow, detailed voiceover on what I do with my hair and how I treat each section. So yeah, just stay tuned for the end result. And I really hope these videos is helping you guys. I really hope you're getting value from them. If you're getting value from my videos, please give me a thumbs up, leave comments down below, let me know that you're here and I am actually making a difference in your hair journey. So now that this kinky twist is complete, I'm going to start on the next one. And like I said, here is a before and after. You can see how the left side is a lot more frizzier and is a lot more puffier, and the right side is a lot more neater. It's fresh. So yeah, I'm gonna speed through this next one, and thank you guys so much for watching.